After accessing the website NovaFrame.eu, you will arrive on the homepage, where you will find a short overview of the NovaFrame systems, presenting the main solutions designed for contemporary aluminium architecture. To explore the products in more detail, use the top menu and select a product. Each product page presents the main technical specifications, key features, and design advantages of the system. After reviewing the systems, if you believe that this product range fits your business, you can apply to become a NovaFrame reseller in your region. To do so, click on the Join Our Dealer Network button or select Contact from the top menu. You will be asked to complete a short form with your company details. These details will be used exclusively for the purpose of evaluating your application. Once the form has been submitted and reviewed, a NovaFrame representative will contact you and send you, by email, the access password for the professionals area. Inside this dedicated section, you will have access to all the essential resources for working with NovaFrame systems, including complete technical documentation, product specifications, price lists, commercial conditions. In addition, the professionals area includes a fast pricing calculator for NovaFrame systems. With this tool, you can easily select the system, the opening configuration, and the glass type. Then enter the required dimensions, and the calculator will instantly generate the price. You can also apply the discount assigned to your company, allowing you to prepare a clear commercial offer. Finally, the tool allows you to export or print the quotation, so you can present it to your clients or send a final order request directly to NovaFrame. NovaFrame, built for architecture, ready for business.